From the very first feed, nature gives calves a head start, like a secret language between cows and their offspring. With Sprayfo Ultimo, we've cracked this unique code. For the first time, optimal fatty acid levels found in cow's milk are now available in calf milk, kickstarting a calf's gastrointestinal development, closing the intestinal lining and creating a strong barrier against pathogens. The fatty acids in Sprayfo Ultimo also signal rumen development, prepping the calf for solid feed sooner. Longer and denser papillae allow for better nutrient absorption and less health issues. The ideal fat ratio found in whole cow's milk, combined with perfectly balanced trace minerals, shape the calf's optimal body composition and metabolism like nature does, accelerating growth by 3 weeks, ensuring strong, resilient calves and a healthy, sustainable dairy future. Sprayfo Ultimo. Empower every calf.